Hello everyone. I'll be talking about Google Arcane or Google Doc. It's you can call it either of them, either Google Docking or Google Arcane. Yeah, the same thing. Now, generally we use Google as a search engine to search for information, but still there are some sensitive information that you can't just search the normal way you do your search. And so that is where the Google hacking comes in. There's some techniques you apply in your search, some specific keywords you use that the allows Google to scroll into sites and get that information you need. So that's what we'll be looking at today. And few of these are some of the keywords: site, in URL, in text, in title, define, info, link, related, file type, cache, in anchor, all in text, all in URL, all in title. Oh, I made cache twice. So just sit back. We're going to look at them one after the other, and then there are situations where you can use more than one of these keywords at the same time. So quickly, let's just look at the site. With the keyword sites, you're searching for a particular site or you're searching for a domain. You can search for sites with a particular domain. By domain, I mean .com, .gov, .ng. We're going to quickly look at that. Let's just quickly see the different ways we can use the keyword site. Okay. Like you can see, this is my normal Google search engine. There's nothing different. And I want to do sites. Okay. So it pours down everything about Olotu Square. We're going to see what the difference would be if I had done my search without Olotu Square. Now, oh no. If I had done my search without Olotu Square, what result would I have gotten? Without sites, rather. Okay. So you see that here it's giving me general information about olotusquare.co. It's not just olotusquare.co, it's giving me different information about Olotu Square. But now I want to know all the sites. That's what makes it different. So each time it gives me results based on the site Olotu Square. So each of the results returns Olotu Square. So if there is HTTP, if the site has a HTTP, which is not a secure protocol rather, it will pop up here. So these this is one use for the keyword site. Okay, another would be I want to search for the domain .gov.ng. Now it's popping out all of the sites that has .gov.ng. So if I want to know all the government sites in Nigeria, I can simply do this and then it's going to give me the different sites. So sit back as we look at other keywords. Next up on our list is in URL. In URL. Okay, in URL I want to find out. Okay, still Olotu Square. Now this has to do with all the URL that has Olotu Square in it. By URL, this is your URL. So for each URL that has Olotu Square at this point, most times when you register on different social media, as you click on your profile, it's going to add, let's say, Facebook// then your username or your name. So for each of those places where you have Olotu Square, that is what's going to pop up. You can see Olotu Square here. Port Harcourt is having Olotu Square in the URL also. Olotu Square. So the in URL just specifies this word where it can be found in the URL. That can be found in the URL. So for the next one, we're going to look at something else other than Olotu Square. Okay, so these are different ways you can quickly do a search and find out some good details for yourself. Next keyword on our list is in-text. Now, in-text, it's going to scan different websites, all the websites, and find out where you have that particular word you're looking for on a website. Let's see. I want to look for the word Jonathan Coker. Now, for each site that has this word in the site, it's going to pop it up. It's in text, so it's searching for this word in every website as a text. Okay. Okay. So you can see this. You can see the different Jonathan Coker that are popping up, and so I'm not bothering myself to explore any of the pages. It's just for you to have an idea of how the keyword works. And then, but when I'll do an advanced Google Arc where we'll probably check for more sensitive information using more than one keyword. So we're going to continue using the other keywords. Meanwhile, you can subscribe so you get notification when other videos have been uploaded. Thank you.